Insert password. Correct. Now setting up the end of the world. The end is near. The end is near. Is this another one of your crazy sensings? No, I can see it right there. Explosion level lowered. I have to turn it off. How in the world do I turn it? Well, at least it didn't destroy the world. Ow. Where am I? Ah, ow. Well, guys, think on the bright side. The world wasn't destroyed. Oh, no. Ugh. You! It's your fault this happened in the first place. And in conclusion... Yeah, that's the conclusion. I have to get away from here. What was that? Ah. Amora, Pikachu, did you get blasted too? Amora. Oh no. It looks like I can climb this. Tyrant, Skitty, Minun. It's me, Pansage. Give us the rope. That's a rope? It's a nerd rope, the best I've got. I'll go first. Ah. Okay, so we're here now. Better go find the others. This is your fault, person. Why did you try to destroy everything? We're lucky that Pansage turned down the explosion. Meloetta, 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 Meloetta. Meloetta, Meloetta. So it's your fault. Okay, now let's go back. We'll have to keep you in jail until we figure you out. We have to figure out what's up with Person. He's possessed people, trapped people, and most recently tried to destroy the world. And also... Whoosh! You just saw a The Almighty Castform production. Subscribe if you like him. If this video, make sure to leave a like. And that's the video.
Pika! Pika! Pika!